For our third ship, we have the Klingon, bird of prey, and she looks menacing. In terms of alien ships and in terms of spaceships overall, in all kinds of science fiction fantasies, science fiction, sorry, and fantasy and science fantasy, any kind of magazines, books, or television series or movies, this is one of my favorites designs of spaceships. I freaking love this particular design. I think it's awesome. It looks like a bird, which is why they call it the bird of prey, I suppose. And it also kind of reminds me of one of those flying dragons, which for the life of me, I can't really think of the name right now. Although I did know quite a few like not dragons, sorry, dinosaurs, the flying dinosaurs. I can't remember the name. Is it pterodactyl, something like that? I can't. Sorry guys, but kind of reminds me of something like that, something that's large, can fly and attack you. And I suppose they did base it on those kind of, you know, oh crap, actual birds of prey. Now, it is difficult to get it back in. It's not that sturdy. I don't know why. Let me show you a close up of the ship anyway. Okay, so I love this in terms, like, I love keeping these on my as wallpapers on my desktop, and I share images of these in Facebook and all this stuff because I really love this design. If I can show you a little bit close up, it looks like this has been damaged a little bit, in the sense that it's a model of a ship that has had some battle damage. I can see some scuff marks here and there. I can see some maybe, like, some, it's been hit by a few phases. Kirk has definitely been Kirk Picard, I guess this would be probably the TNG era bird of prey. So probably Picard and company has actually bashed these guys up for something or the other, or maybe they ran into the Romulans. So yeah, I like this, but I do think this might be little, this part over here might be a little dangerous, in the sense that not dangerous in the sense that I might actually break it off by mistake, so I had to be careful with this particular model. Looks like a mouth with large teeth at the back. Here's the back side. So as far as alien ship goes, I think this is one of my probably if not my favorite from the Star Trek franchise. This is in the top 3. I really do love this design a lot. Let's see if we can put it back in its stand over here. Yeah. Yes. I think that's it. Yeah. So that's the Klingon bird of prey. My Klingon is rusty. I don't know many words. Qapla' is one. So I really do think Qapla', Eaglemoss, you've done a fantastic job on this particular design. I really do love it. It looks like it's from one of the television series or the movies. So I was trying to think of any of the other alien vessels I really like. I do like the Xindi insectoid ship. That is probably one of the best awesome looking designs I've ever seen. When I get that, I'll do a video on that for sure. And what else? The Andorian ship. There's a couple of Vulcan ships that I do like, but I've seen only one Vulcan ship, the Sura class, in Eaglemoss's collection so far. So I do hope they bring the second one, the one that I'm thinking of a little later. But yeah, as far as this Klingon bird of prey goes, awesome job, guys. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week ahead of you guys. I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to keep it back in the box because I don't have a proper place to display them at the moment. I am still waiting for something to be cleared, and once that is done, I can buy a shelf or something to display all my ships. So currently we've got 4, and hoping to continue on with my collection. Financial aspects pertaining, I will keep a pretty good collection. I may not go for all of the ships, but I will go for a big chunk of it. Thanks guys. Bye.